Pepperoni is the most common pizza in the world according to Wikipedia. Here's how to make the iconic topping. I'm using brick red fiber. I pull off a little chunk of fiber about the size of a quarter. Then I wad the fiber up a little bit and lay it directly onto the slice. I start by stabbing it a bit just to get the brick red attached to the pizza. Pretty quickly, the brick red attaches and I can take my finger away. Now I'm doing the job of trying to coax that wad of fiber into a round pepperoni shape. You can see I'm working the perimeter a little bit, using the felting needle to pin down the outside edge of the circle. After I've worked the outside edge, I notice that the inside is really puffed up. So then I'll felt over the inside or the middle of the circle a little bit. After that gets compressed, I go back around to the outside perimeter of the circle and felt that again. I keep working like this until I like the texture of the pepperoni. I usually spend about 2 to 3 minutes per pepperoni to make sure that they're nice and solid. My finished pepperoni slice is making me hungry. Continue your pizza felting adventure with the next topping of your choice by choosing another video. Happy felting!